episode 5 of the LA Clippers. We'll check out what we're running with the game plan. Stockton, Jordan, Purvis Short, Mickey Johnson is going to be coming off the bench. We're going to let the Hot Rod take over. Give him 28. Actually, yeah, let's give like Jordan 32, Stockton 30. You go like that. Give Frank Johnson, who is our backup point guard, Johnson there. You know what? I'd actually give Reggie Miller minutes over him. He's our backup center. We don't need him getting any minutes. We actually... Alright, so we're good like this. So we got 8 more minutes to spread. Let's go like that. 22, 20, 18... 23, 22, 20, 14, 12.
Paid outfits that I'll return later. Got yourself some new shoes.
Actually, let's give him an extra minute.
50 hours overtime.
Now we'll do mentorship.
Fashion week.
What's up, Sleepy? Alright, we'll start with Reggie Miller.
Spit that smile, do that dance.
Actually, probably be best to get him going with Michael Jordan.
Wednesday we'll be back. Got yourself some new shoes.
Love.
50 hours overtime. Fashion week.
Handles for days.
Can't get no sleep.
Thompson. You can work with Johnson. Actually, you can work with him too. Just making sure all of our young guys are set up. Alright, sounds good, my man. Hot Rod Williams, nah. He might have to work with Stockton, which is fine. Stockton will get working with...
Tonight's your night. You were made for the flash. Foreign land, nobody knows your name.
Fortunately, there's not many options for Stockton. I guess we'll go with Buckner just for now. Hot Rod Williams, bunch of options for him. We'll go with Johnson.
It's full of money, filled with inspiration. No stopping now. She was built for this whole situation.
That.
Got yourself some new shoes. 50 hours overtime.
Alright, now we'll see if we can get any of these guys with anyone.
Can't get no sleep.
Booker looking short.
Fashion week.
Frank Johnson.
Fashion week.
Honestly, I can just put him with him. There. That's looking pretty good. Ready to start season. Actually, I just want to check contracts. Any extensions we can do right now? No. And let's check out finances real quick as well. Alright, so next year we're looking pretty good. A lot of our big guys are locked up. Honestly, it's just backup point guard. Would be the big thing we gotta worry about. This is bad. Would get King. They'd want short in a second. That's a big trade. I'm gonna actually look at this. Bernard King. They're the same age. King's on a 1 year. We're short. Kind of got him locked up for a bit. Who's better? 16-4 is here. 15.5 last year, 17.9 last year. Let's get more rebounds, same assists. Shooting better. We've been giving up a second, but Bernard King is better right now. I think we're actually going to go ahead and do that. I think we'll do that. And I think Reggie Miller will be ready to start for us soon, so that actually works out. Alright, so obviously we're going to have to mess up with this a little bit. Bernard King's going to start. Johnson's just going to switch for Williams. Let's go like that. We'll take his minutes away. Give the bench a little bit of a minutes boost. Thompson a minutes boost.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life for squinting, can't just stare. We're bathed through thick and thin. She already fixed.
Now we could probably sign Bernard King. See, now they're trying to get him for a Livingston and Ants. We're gonna decline that. Because I don't know if I'd want to sign him long term, but just for a year. Okay, no, we can't. Alright. That is fine. Do that, fix our team up a little bit. We're looking really good. 25 and 6. We're looking like a championship team. We can stay healthy. Miller for Harper, I'm going to decline that. We're going to decline that as well. It's just whatever. The NBA playlist is pretty good for songs. I have no idea what song it is, though. I don't think we have any trades we want to do. We'll just keep going. Ooh. Thankfully, with Reggie Miller, that can step up. Rookie season Reggie Miller. And MJ's out as well. Stockton's going to run the 2 guard for us. All right. Alright, King's back. Jordan's back. We're having quite the season right now. We know we got no contract extensions to do, so we'll just keep going. Kind of getting everyone healed up now, which is nice. 52 and 14 record. We're the best team in the NBA right now. Kind of having our way with the league, which is nice. Everyone's looking like they're doing good. We'll check how everyone did at the end of the season. Ooh, that's a bad injury. Thankfully, he's just a bench player for us. And we'll just leave that as is. Magic Johnson, MVP. David Robinson, Rookie of the Year. Byron Scott, 6th Player of the Year. The Dream, DOP. Karl Malone, Most Improved. We got the head coach, though. Coach of the Year. 67 and 15. Great record. And we actually have the Executive of the Year as well. Michael Jordan not making the first NBA team. He's making the second NBA team, though. And he's making the second defensive team. And Reggie Miller's making the second rookie team. Alright, sounds good, dude. coming in as the number 1 seed. We'll see what we're gonna be running though. Stockton career year. Love to see it. Michael Jordan had a good solid season. King coming in. Nice. Did pretty good for us. Hot Rod Williams having a great season for us as well. Thompson, you know, he's that double-double guy for us. Getting 2 blocks a game almost. We'll take that. Frank Johnson, he actually had a solid season for us too. Reggie Miller, if he is getting the minutes, he could be a scoring threat. Mickey Johnson's a little hurt right now, but he did what he had to do. Ray Williams. Knew we getting some, or Nevitt getting a little bit of minutes, not many, but now kind of okay with this team we're running. If I could get, yeah, it's too late. All right, so round number 1 against the Clippers, or against the Golden State Warriors. We are the Clippers. Game number 1, we lose by 1 point. Golden State getting it done in game number 1. Hopefully we can come back in game number 2. We don't want to lose both games home. And we're going to dominate game number 2. Williams and Jordan both coming off of 22. Alright, we got to kind of show up this game. There we go. Michael Jordan with 27. Miller 15 off the bench. One more win and we're moving on to the second round. And we're going to get the easy win. Jordan with 40 points, 9 assists, 2 steals. Helping us get to the second round. We're going against Sacramento. The Lakers against Portland. Philadelphia against Boston. Atlanta against Cleveland. So we could see the Lakers in the conference finals. Mickey Johnson's fully healed. We'll get him into the lineup. Alright, game number 1 against the Kings. We're going to get it done. Michael Jordan 22, Stockton with 20. Both players almost get double-doubles. Jordan actually did get the double-double. Game number 2. Oh, that was a close one. We win by 3. Jordan with 33. 8 and 9. Almost triple-double game for Jordan. We're going to have our way against Sacramento once again, and we do. Jordan with 25 this time. We're up 3-0 against the Kings. Can we sweep Sacramento? No, they're going to come back and get us this game. So the winner of us will be facing the Lakers. Could be a battle of Los Angeles in the conference finals. Kind of starting off this rivalry. So it's going to be Philadelphia versus Atlanta. Us versus the Lakers. We'll see how we can do. This is against Magic Johnson's Lakers. They beat us by 8 in game number 1. Game number 2. We're actually going to take them by 6. Michael Jordan with 23. King with 20. Game number 3. Big game number 3 against the Lakers. And they're going to take it. Magic Johnson with the huge triple-double, man. James Worthy going off on us, too. Can we tie it up, though? Huge game 4 for us. We got to tie this up. And we get it done. Jordan with 35. Jordan showing up tonight. We have a tied series against the Lakers. And no Bernard King. Reggie Miller's going to step in. We're actually going to get Mickey Johnson to start, the vet. How's Hot Rod doing? Hot Rod's kind of getting tired, but he's averaging 16.5 a game. We got to have him playing. Alright. Game 5. Who's going to get the advantage? We do got home court advantage, but the Lakers just so strong, man. Dang. They're going to take us there. Can we come back and force a Game 7 against the Lakers? We're going to jump in this game. We're down by 8. 6 minutes left. We'll get some gameplay, see if we can force a Game 7. In this huge game against Lakers. We had scored them by 4 in the first. They had scored us by 7 in the second. Then they have scored us again by 7 in the third. We're up by 2 in the fourth, but they're up by 8 currently. We got time. 6 minutes and 35 left. We are playing without Bernard King though, so that is a rough loss, as he's arguably our third best player. But hopefully Reggie Miller can kind of fill in and help us out a little bit offensively. We're gonna have to see Hot Rod though step up big. We're gonna have to lean on him a little bit more. But it would be nice to make it to the finals. I believe the Clippers were good enough. We just gotta get through the Lakers. I think whoever wins the series is gonna win the championship. But it is the Battle of Los Angeles. So it's going to be intense. We're with the old school camera. Thompson almost a double-double at the moment.
Pass to Duckworth. Lakers working the ball around now.
Stockton picking up the steal. And going in with the layup. Stockton with 8 points. 7 assists.
Stockton forces a turnover, and then he's off to the races.
Great steal.
Here's Wilkes.
Hot Rod, 14 points. 2 assists,
Back
2
to Johnson.
boards. Oh, 3 points by Johnson.
I like when he looks to move the ball.
I know. A little bit of switch up.
Jordan outside.
Jordan here, 27 points from Jordan. See if we can hit that 3 a little early.
Wilkes with the rebound.
Gotta move off that
So
screen.
it's Johnson who brings the ball up for the Lakers.
Stockton's just such a big mismatch. Magic's so much bigger than Stockton.
You always talk about the passing of Magic. When his
Going
team
for the
needs
easy
it,
deal.
Johnson can score.
Putting it down with
Try to get us back in this
a true rim rattler.
Yeah, going up strong with both hands.
Trying to force Game 7 right here.
The Clippers getting the bucket.
Conference
Scott kicks to
finals.
Johnson.
Reggie Miller here, 7 points.
To the inside.
Oh, Stockton with a huge steal. He's going to give that to... Oh, that was a bad pass. Bad pass.
Williams.
Oh, Williams. Hot Rod Williams coming in with the block.
Defensive end, especially when he goes up for these swats. And the Clippers making a change here.
I'll take
Johnson's
that.
checked in. Here's Johnson.
Johnson again. Okay, there we go.
Aggressive move. That's an easy 2 points most of the time.
Jordan. With the step back.
Again, the Clippers.
Get that
Defense
going.
has to be tougher on Jordan there. Can't let him get that.
All right, we're down by 6.
Timeout Lakers.
Down by 6. 4:50 left. Kind of coming back a little bit. It's going to be good defensively. It's hard to defend Matt Johnson.
Thanks, guys. Brad Nelson had some words for his team during the break. He told them, don't
It's time we
look at
start
the
dominating
scoreboard.
the
We have to
NBA.
play like we're tied. They want their team to sustain that level of effort. See how it works out. Kevin?
Thank you, David. Now, here's Johnson.
Oh, we draped him.
Rebound by Stockton.
We were draped all over him. Jordan trying to get the ball. Gives it to Thompson.
Thompson
Not
pass
gonna
to
do
Williams.
Thompson.
Now here's Jordan.
Jordan has the ball. Jordan
Lakers with the
missing
rebound.
the mid-range.
Pennington's got 4 rebounds in this game. And
Oh,
stolen
big
by
steal by
Jordan.
Michael Jordan. Giving it to Stockton.
Here's Stockton.
Getting
And
the
he
foul.
could not get that one to go. Out of contact.
All right,
And
we'll
he'll go
take
to the
that.
line
We'll
for
look at
two.
the line.
Lots of grit from the young Stockton to fight through that contact.
What do you guys think so far about the
First.
offensive approach for the Lakers?
Well, throughout this game, they've been lighting it up from mid-range.
No.
I love seeing that.
John
They
Stockton
made
missing
that
one.
the focus of their offense, and it's really paid off.
They're doing a good job working the ball inside tonight. The defense has been
What?
struggling to slow them down in the paint.
I think they need
No
to double
way.
team him right now.
Definitely.
Dang,
I'm
that was a
surprised we
bad
haven't seen that
foul.
yet.
Oh, Magic Johnson,
That's
too.
good from
He's not going to
Johnson.
miss.
As far as guys who
All right,
can
they're extending that
orchestrate
lead a little
offense,
bit.
It's hard to do better than Magic Johnson. His vision out on the floor is just so unique.
Now, here's Stockton. Miller's revenge before. Fires for three.
Oh, he's getting that. He's getting that. Down by 5 now.
Drills the three-pointer.
Look, kept it on the pick and roll, and he made the most of it.
Lakers leading by 5. Back to Johnson. And Thompson
Ooh,
sends it
big
back.
block.
And they'll get another chance. Rocket 2 shoots the
No,
three.
he's not.
Wilkes, no good.
And got to be honest here. I mean, he should have made that.
I bet it's not going to affect his confidence, though. He's going to keep taking those shots.
Now here's Stockton. It's up a
Stockton with 3.
And a
Here we go, another
It's the
three-pointer.
Clippers from deep.
Clever play call by
Down by
Stockton.
2.
And it ends up creating a good shot for him.
Finally getting their 3 ball to drop.
Here's Wennington. He's guarded by Williams. Pass to Wennington. No good that time.
Rod getting
Good
the
tee by
ball.
Williams.
Miller.
Now the Clippers with it. They're on an 11-3 run. Jordan in the corner. Williams has a screen for Jordan.
Oh, that didn't
Back
work.
to Miller. Right here's Stockton. To take the lead.
Stockton with 3.
Offensive rebound.
Oh, we're getting a
Miller
rebound.
outside. Jacks up a 3.
Try to go with that other 3.
Here's Johnson. And foul
All
on the
right.
shot. So
We'll
he'll
take
get a
foul
chance
there,
at
I
the
guess.
line.
We'll hit both.
They get John Stockton.
Hopefully he
Myriad of
misses one.
skills. Magic is the last guy I'd want to guard. He can do anything out there. So how do you defend him?
Both shots
No,
good from the
he's
stripe.
hitting both.
This is
Down
why
by
his
4.
team trusts him at the line, because they believe in his ability to hit clutch shots.
Stockton kicks to Jordan. We've got 155 left in
Jordan
the
going
fourth
all the
quarter of this
way.
one, and it's in there.
There we go.
Jordan's got 33 points.
And Jordan has already proven he can be the go-to guy in the big moments.
And stolen by
Huge
Johnson.
steal.
And here we go.
Michael Jordan
Fast
going
break.
all the way.
Jordan's got it. Miller, the pass to Jordan.
Back to Jordan.
And Miller gets the
Oh,
assist.
give and go.
Miller's got 3 assists now in this one.
This guy, Michael Jordan,
Jordan with
he's pretty good
35.
at clutch,
We
fellas.
finally tied it up.
And the foul on Magic Johnson.
There we
That
go.
will get him his 4th foul of the game.
Boy, giving up the body to make a play right there, that's really good
Good
defense.
lucky there.
He read that to a T. Got there
Slow the
early,
ball down a little
braced
bit.
himself with a hit.
Now, here's Stockton.
Make sure we get a good play.
Pass to Jordan. 1:19 left to play in the final quarter.
Oh, that was early.
And
That
now
was a
they'll have
bad
chance to take the
shot.
lead there.
Right off the front rim.
Lakers shooting about 45% from the floor in the fourth. Johnson with it. Picked up by Stockton. Count that.
No, we got that to
Starting in his
go.
college days, Magic Johnson's been a clutch performer.
Johnson getting it up.
Stockton outside. Miller outside.
Miller hitting that 3.
Backs again from distance.
Simply as
Up by
calm as
1.
you can be in that situation. He's
Reggie
got
Miller
that
with the
mentality.
step back.
Doesn't shy away from big moments.
Timeout Lakers.
That was huge. Up by 1. 51 seconds
Pass to
left.
Johnson.
Big defensive
Got it.
play.
Good D by Jordan.
Slow this ball down some.
Stockton outside.
Stockton's wide open.
Here's Thompson.
Thompson's getting that rebound though. He's gotten his double. Go Bulls.
He certainly has the trust of his teammates.
Timeout, Lakers. And let's get your take,
Up by
guys.
3.
What's the strategy?
You know, with the time remaining,
Trying to
I think
force
they've
this
gotta
game
be
7.
looking for a quick shot right here.
Yeah, and I think in a possible 2-for-1 situation, this next play they run will be interesting to see what they go with. No room for error.
Thompson with some big
35 seconds
points.
left in the fourth quarter. Johnson up top. He's defended by Stockton.
Thompson going to help. Oh, and they're fouling Thompson. Even though I got a big rebound there.
So the
It's
first
not our
one
best
drops,
shooter from the
and that
line.
gives
Got
them
the
a
first.
4-point cushion.
Gonna get the second.
And so
And he got
both
the
free
second.
throws are good.
12
It's a
points,
5-point
14
game.
rebounds.
Two-possession game now, guys.
Thompson's gonna
Very
stud
important
tonight.
free throws there.
And
blocks
the
as
Lakers
well.
call time here. They're down by 5.
And we're up by 5.
What do you think we're
So
going
it's
to
good
see
for us.
coming out of this timeout?
And I think they're going to have to work really fast coming out of the timeout.
Yeah, they're in desperation mode right now. Need a quick shot and a foul.
And out of bounds as the Clippers
Oh.
gain possession.
Oh, Magic Johnson stepping out of bounds. You know who's getting the ball.
And so
Yeah,
they foul
Michael Jordan's going
intentionally.
to the line. He has
Well, I
35
think the
points
foul was
already.
the option to stop the clock. However, this is not a guy that you want at the line.
Yeah, he did what he had to do. You can't just hope the ball gets past a weaker shooter.
Second
And
one
he's
is
hitting
good.
both.
Hitting both at the
7-point
line. And
lead.
it's a 7-point game.
The ideal outcome for this trip, making every shot and padding their lead.
Here's Wilkes. And again, the Lakers no good.
And Jordan's going to get the ball to finish off the game.
Jordan against Johnson.
Give the ball to Miller. No one's really giving him attention.
So the Clippers
Stockton.
win. That concludes this
There, we're
broadcast
forcing
of the
game
Western
7.
Conference Finals. Clark Kellogg, Mike Fratello, and David Aldridge, and the rest of our 2K team.
Huge game for us there to get to game 7. Now we just got to finish it off against the Lakers in the conference finals. See if we can make that finals berth. Wasn't sure we were going to get that done, but at the end of it, we started pulling away. Once that 3 ball started dropping for us. Game 7. We're going to give it our all. See what we can do in game 7 against the Lakers. It's not looking like it's our year. We lose by 5. And the Lakers will sweep the finals against the 76ers. Abdul-Jabbar is retiring. Truck Robinson has retired. Alright, that's a retirement for us. Anyone that we're gonna save? Probably not. No. So we didn't get it done. Just went against that good Lakers team. Julius Erving and Jabbar both getting Hall of Fame spots. Abdul-Jabbar getting 2 jerseys retired. Julius Erving getting his with the 76ers. Miami Heat's coming in as an expansion team. Charlotte Hornets are coming in as an expansion team, so this is going to be interesting. 2 new teams. League realignment. Draft lottery. We got nothing cooking. Staff signings. Alright, so we need everything. Obviously, we want our head coach back. But we need like a backup option just in case we can't get him. So we'll go after a couple backup options. We'll send him an offer. Send him an offer. And him an offer. Some head scouts. Send him an offer. Head scout. It is hard to get head scouts. We haven't had the best time getting good scouts to come in. Ooh, that's a good head scout. Alright, we'll sign him. Where's that head scout? Right there. I want to make sure we give him an offer. And then we'll make sure we give Stauffer another offer because we want to make sure we get him.
We make it hot, we gonna turn up the temperature. Gotta look, she the signature. Had to sit down and I read me some literature. He try and cross me, you know I'm a finisher. I grab that officially. They got a deficiency preaching on something.
Alright, there. So we're looking pretty good now. Liking what we got for staff. Now the expansion draft protected players. We'll see who we can keep, who we can't keep. I guess it's pretty obvious who we're gonna keep and who we're not keeping. Expansion draft, we'll see who they take. Albert King going number 1, Frank Johnson going number 2. Frank Johnson was our point guard. Dennis Rodman going. So Charlotte actually might have a decent team coming right off the gate. We'll sit in the rest. Oh. Discard changes. Yeah, we don't want to go on that. NBA draft. So we got the 24th pick. Not the best selection. This is. Let's see who's in this draft. Mitch Richmond, Danny Manning. Is there any trades we're looking at doing? Not really, no, is there? Unless like we could upgrade LaSalle Thompson, but I don't even think that's really someone we could upgrade. They'd be willing to give us a future first. An Olden Glennis. If we could get a big upgrade on our center, it'd be worth it, but Herb Williams and a point guard. Yeah, no, I'd say we're just gonna keep what we got. We could trade all those picks and see if we can get something out of it. Yeah, seeing if we can get 2 first. That's not gonna happen. We'll send the user pick, see if anyone's here. That might interest us a little bit. Brian Shaw. Steve Kerr. You know what? Let's take Steve Kerr. Is there anything I can trade those for? Like, what if I even added another one. Is there a way we can get a future first? No. Alright, so we'll take Cartwright. I guess I would take Rudy Hansen. Send him to the end. See if we're actually gonna keep any of these players. We're gonna keep Kerr. Cartwright and Hansen. No. I don't know. They're really not anything, right? Rudy Hansen has 2 badges. We could have him as a third, just to see how it goes. But I think we're gonna let Cartwright. Do they have any potential? D potential? D plus, yeah. We'll keep Kerr. Give him the team option. Qualifying offers, we got none. So we got Stockton and Kerr. We do want another point guard. Good backup. We need a backup shooting guard, backup small forward, backup power forward, backup center. So we need backup everything. Alright, so we need backup everything. Andrew Toney has 10 badges. We can bring back Bernard King. He does want a lot. We could give him a 2-year. Or we let him go and bring back, like, just let our young players go. Could bring in like Greg Ballard, the vet. I think we'll bring back Mickey Johnson again. He's been a good vet for us. Give him an offer to come back. Can bring in Daryl Dawkins, John Konkak, Steve Johnson, Chris Washburn. Chris Washburn might not be the worst. He's young. Give him a deal. We can give Engler a deal. Now we need backup point guards. We just need one. Honestly, Alan Liebel would not be the worst option. So yeah, we'll give. We could give him a 2-year. And shooting guards, we could give Andrew Toney or Lester Connor. We could try that. We still need a small forward too, but we can get King. Or we can just try to save money and just go with a bunch of good vets.
Another day, another dollar. What's down, yeah? I be stunting like a big timer. What's down, yeah? Another night. What's down, yeah? She She give you drama. If you see me, just give me
Alright, so let's see what we got right now.
emotion. I got all kinds of
So Greg Ballard's coming in to be with Miller. Mickey Johnson's back. Engler's in. Still need a back point guard, shooting guard, center.
Gigi's on the ceiling and my pappy know that just the way it go when you living on the deep end. My little brother like my kids.
Just don't got the most amount of money. We can bring in Mitchell Wiggins.
In my hood, we all the same and got the same story. When
I guess Mike Evans.
was that just how we say good morning? Another day, another dollar. What's down? I be stunting like a big timer. What's down? Another night. What's down? She give you drama. What's down? If you see me, just give me a holler.
I guess the center.
You need motion, I got all kinds of what's down. If you see me, just give me a holler. What's down? If you see me, just give me a holler.
We'll bring Holland.
On the party going up, we just getting started in the air. Got these some on my lap.
Sign him.
Plotting this attention cross the room from them. Been
Sign both them.
up the east like it's bad on my stomach. They put a thumbs up like he's hiking in the thunder. In my hood, we all the same, but we all got it popping. When I say what's them, that means you doing your thing, partner. Another day, another dollar.
Could bring Ray Williams back.
Stunting like a big timer. What's down? Another night.
Or Terrence Coleman.
What's down? She give me.
Get some badges.
What's down? If you see me, just give me a holler. What's down? You need motion. I got all kinds of what's down.
Sign him.
See me, just give me a holler.
So that gives us good numbers. We can see what we got for contracts. See if there's anything we can do. Hot Rod Williams, we can resign. I think he is going to be a piece of the future. Michael Jordan, though. Let's see what he's getting for money. Because we don't want a 1.8. Alright, yeah. We can take him to the 4 years. Can give him some money. Alright, so he's going to decline that. $1.4. We'll take that. Alright, so we got him signed long term now. We're good with free agency. We'll go with player progression, see what everyone's looking like. So Michael Jordan goes down by 1, Stockton up by 2, Hot Rod up by 2, Miller up by 2. Hopefully we can pull off the season. I don't know. I think our team looked better last season. So 1989 draft. So we'll try to find an 89 draft. 1989. There's 88, 99, 89. And that is it for episode 5. I'll see you in episode 6.